Hello friends, once again welcome to Pharma Knowledge BS. Today we'll talk about introduction of elixir. See the definition. What are the elixirs and their content? So elixirs are clear, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. Elixirs क्लिअर असतात, त्यानंतर त्यामध्ये स्वीटनिंग एजंट असतात, त्यानंतर ॲरोमॅटिक विच इज हॅविंग स्पेसिफिक ॲरोमा दॅट इज फ्लेवर, then hydroalcoholic liquids. Hydroalcoholic liquid means which contains the water plus alcohol, so that is intended for oral use. So the main ingredients are ethyl alcohol, so percentage is 5 to 40%, then water, glycerin or propylene glycol, as well as flavoring agent, coloring agent, sweetening agent. So all these are the organoleptic agents which are present in this elixirs, and also some suitable preservative in optional cases if required. Okay, so the main ingredients or contents are ethyl alcohol, water, glycerin or propylene glycol, then organoleptic agent and preservative. See, this is one of the marketed preparation of elixir, that is Febral elixirs. Actually this elixir is a outdated preparation, but we have to study because it is included in our syllabus. So this is one example or marketed preparation of elixir, that is Febral elixir. See the types of elixir. There are the two types of elixir. First one is medicated elixir and second is the non-medicated elixirs. See, first, medicated elixirs. So usually contain a potent drug such as antibiotics, antihistamines, expectorant, sedatives and hypnotics. यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे वेगवेगळ्या कॅटेगरीचे ड्रग ॲड केले जातात किंवा इनकॉर्पोरेट केले जातात, such as the potent drug. Potent drug means which is having somewhat poisonous nature and the concentration is less. Example, first chlorpheniramine malate elixir USP. Second example, diphenhydramine elixir HCl elixirs. Third, piperazine citrate elixir IP. Fourth, terpene hydrate elixirs. And fifth, acetaminophen elixirs or acetaminophen elixirs. So all these are the medicated elixirs. Okay. Next is the non-medicated elixirs. So they are also called as flavored elixirs because they are contain only the flavoring agent. See, these elixirs do not contain any therapeutic agent or medicament. अशा पद्धतीचे एलिक्झरमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचे थेरापेटिक एजंट किंवा मेडिकामेंट ॲड केलेले नसतात. सो दे मे कंटेन अल्कोहोल, स्वीटनिंग एजंट अँड कलरिंग एजंट. मग त्यामध्ये काय असणार आहे? अल्कोहोल असणार आहे, स्वीटनिंग एजंट, coloring agent. So as well as they may contain the flavoring agent. So they act as a self preservative because they may contain the higher proportion of alcohol. So we have seen it contains the 5 to 40% alcohol. Uses, they are used purely as diluting agent. हे diluting agent म्हणून आपण यूज करणार आहे. So this is the another example of elixir, that is digoxin elixir USP. Okay, name of the company is the Roxane Laboratories. So sometime in exam we'll ask the what are the marketed preparation of elixirs. So you can give the example. So this is the digoxin elixir USP and name of the company the Roxane Laboratories. Okay. Thank you. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel Pharma Knowledge BS.